Problem, suspected crack in windshield. Solution, suspect you're right. Oh man, this is too funny. Problem, number 3, engine is missing. Solution, engine found on right wing after brief search. Oh man, this is too funny. Problem, target radar hums. Solution, reprogram target radar with lyrics. Problem, mouse in cockpit. Solution, cat installed. Oh man, this is funny. There's the last one. Problem, noise coming from underneath the instrument panel. Sounds like a midget pounding on something with a hammer. A solution, took the hammer away from the midget.